Hello student, I am Dr. Machi, teach physics for you. Today I will be discussing on escape velocity. That is escape velocity from earth surface, escape velocity from moon surface and escape velocity of our solar system and various numerical relating to escape velocity. And now let's start. First of all, definition. The minimum velocity of projection of a body from Earth's surface or from a planet such that it overcomes the gravitational pull of Earth. The expression of escape velocity VE equal to root under 2 gm by r. This equals to 11.2 km per second for Earth's surface. The escape velocity does not depend on direction of projection and also independent of mass of the projected body. Therefore, escape velocity in any direction, vertical direction or 45 degree with the vertical direction is same. Okay? Now, we have to calculate the expression for escape velocity. The expression of escape velocity obtained from the conservation of mechanical energy in the gravitational field. Now look at this. Suppose a body projected from the Earth's surface with escape velocity v. Due to this velocity, it reaches the infinity. So look at this, the potential energy on the Earth's surface minus g mm by r. Kinetic energy K1 equal to half m v square. What is the potential at the infinity? 0. Kinetic energy also 0 because v is the minimum velocity of projection. So u2 equal to 0, k2 equal to 0. Therefore look at this, u1 plus k1 equals to u2 plus k2. Therefore minus g capital M small m by r plus half m v square equal to 0 plus 0. Okay, understood? Therefore, from this expression, half m v square equal to g capital M small m by r. Therefore, v equal to root under 2 g m by r. Understood? Now, we have to calculate the different form of escape velocity. ve equal to root under of 2 gm by r. We know g equal to capital G capital M by r square. Now if we put the value of gm, we get gr square. Therefore ve equal to root over 2 gr square by r. So this is the root over of 2 gr. Okay, this is the another expression of escape velocity. This is the first. Okay, now mass of the earth is equal to 4/3 pi r cube rho. Rho is the mean density of earth. From this expression ve becomes root over 2g and this is the 4/3 pi capital R cube rho by r. So this becomes r into root under of 8 by 3 pi g rho. This is the another expression of escape velocity. Okay. Now we solve some numerical relating to escape velocity. Okay, we have to calculate the escape velocity from moon surface, where mass of the moon is 1 by 80 times the mass of the earth and radius is 1 by 4 times that of the earth. Okay, look at this. For moon surface, ve dash is equal to root over 2 gm by r. Now put the value of small m and small r. 2g m by 80 divided by r by 4. So this becomes, look at this, 2g m by r root under and this is the root under 1 by 20. Okay, so this is the 11.2 kilometer per second and this is the 1 by root under 20. This becomes 2.5 kilometer per second. Okay, so escape velocity from the moon surface is 2.5 kilometer per second. Okay, if radius of earth sink by 2%, find variation of escape velocity. As the earth sink, only radius changes, its mass remains same. Now the required formula V equal to root over 2 gm by r. So delta V by V equals to half delta G by G plus half delta M by M minus half delta R by R. Now look at this here. Delta M by M, this equals to 0. Delta G by G is also constant, this also 0. Now delta R by R, look at this, delta R by R, this is the minus 2% because radius decreases, radius sink. Okay, therefore delta VE by V is the question mark. Now using this formula we get delta V by V, this is the 0 plus 0 minus half into minus 2%. So this is the 1%. Therefore escape velocity is increased by 1%. Okay, find escape velocity from the solar system. Considering Earth is at rest in its orbit and angular velocity 0, and number 2, Earth revolves around the Sun and angular velocity of its 0. Now the formula is U1 plus K1 equal to U2 plus K2. That is potential energy at the initial position and kinetic energy at the initial position equal to potential energy and kinetic energy at the infinity. Now these two terms become 0. So here U1 plus K1 equal to 0. So here U1 plus K1 equal to 0. Okay, suppose escape velocity of a particle from the solar system is V. Therefore K1 equal to half mv square. Now what is the potential energy? Potential energy due to Earth and due to Sun. Now potential energy due to Earth is this and potential due to Sun is this. So applying this relation U1 plus K1 equal to 0. So this is the half mv square minus gmre into m minus gms into m by rs. So look at this, VE becomes, look at this, root under of 2g into me by re plus ms by rs. Now look at this, here me equal to, look at this, me equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg and ms equals to 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg. Okay, and re equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter and rs equals to 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Now putting this value, we easily calculate the escape velocity from solar system. The value is almost 22 kilometer. Okay, now next problem. Now considering Earth revolves in its orbit with its orbital velocity v0. So look at this, the required formula is v equals to root 2 v0. This means if the orbital velocity of Earth increases to root 2 times, then it escapes from solar system. So our velocity of projection of the body is such that the body acquires this velocity. Okay, so look at this, here U1, look at this, here U1 becomes minus G capital ME by RE into small m. What is K1? K1 equal to half m V square. Here final velocity should be becomes root 2 minus 1 into V0. So final kinetic energy half m root 2 minus 1 V0 square. From this relation G ME small m by R plus half m v square plus half m root 2 minus 1 v0 whole square. Okay, so look at this, v square equals to, look at this, here root under of 2 gme by r and this is equal to root 2 minus 1 whole square v0 square. Now if we put the value of v0 equal to root under gms by rs. Now here me is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg, r equals to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter, ms equals to 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg and rs equals to 1.5 in rs equals to 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter, we get the escape velocity almost 17 kilometer per second. Okay, look at this. Mass m1 and m2 are separated by a distance d. A body of mass small m projected midpoint of the line joining the two mass, find its escape velocity. Look at this. Here formula is u1 plus k1 equals to u2 plus k2. That is potential energy at the initial position plus kinetic energy at the initial position equal to potential energy at kinetic energy at the final position. These two terms becomes zero for minimum velocity of projection. Now look at this. Look at this. This is the half. Look at this. The potential energy due to this mass. This is the minus g m1 m and this is the d by 2 because total distance d, so this distance d by 2 and potential energy due to this mass is also g m2 m by d by 2. So this is the total potential energy. So this is the u1. Now k1 is equal to half m v square and this is the 0 at infinity, and for escape velocity the final kinetic energy at the infinity becomes 0. So v equals to 4g m1 plus m2 by d. Okay, this is the required escape velocity for the particle. Now next, a body is projected from Earth's surface with a velocity n times of escape velocity. Find its velocity at infinity. Now the required formula is potential energy on the Earth's surface plus kinetic energy on the Earth's surface equal to potential energy at infinity and kinetic energy at infinity. Now look at this. This is 0. Okay. Now look at this. Suppose final velocity be v. So look at this. Here u1 is equal to, what is the u1 on the Earth's surface? Minus g m by r. Okay. Now kinetic energy k1 equal to half m v square, that is the n into v square. Okay, and k2 is equal to half m v square. Okay, now look at this. Putting this equation, so u1 plus k1 minus g capital M small m by r, and this is half m n square v square is equal to half m v square. Okay, so v square is equal to n square v square minus 2gm by r. Now 2gm by r equals to v square. So this is the n square v square minus v square. So this is the n square minus 1 into v square. So v equal to root under of n square minus 1 into v. Okay, understood? Find escape velocity from the center of the earth. The formula is same, u1 plus k1 equal to u2 plus k2. Now look at this. Here u1 equal to the potential energy from the center of the earth. This becomes minus 3 capital G capital M capital G capital M small m by 2r. Okay, now k1 equal to half m v square. Okay, now u2 0 k2 0. So this becomes, look at this, half m v square minus 3 capital G capital M small m by 2r, and this is the 0. So ve is the root over of 3gm by r. Okay, now you know this is the root over 3 by 2 into root over 2gm by r. Okay, look at this. So this is the v, escape velocity from the earth surface. So this is the 3 by 2 into escape velocity 11.2 kilometer per second. So required answer is 11.2 kilometer per second. And for new videos, subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can't miss a video.